Alright YouTube, CZ the guy here, man. Today we're gonna be talking about how to get the older women. I know y'all seen my video before last, and a lot of people was hitting me up talking about, yo, how did you meet those women? How did you get those women? How'd you get them to buy you food? How'd you get over their place? All that. And I'm gonna just tell y'all, bro, it's easy, bro. It's just a woman. It's a female, bro. A female is a female. No matter the age. She might have more experience than you, but nigga, if you present yourself like you know what you're doing, you have confidence in yourself, bro, she has no choice but to fuck with you, bro. Women can't resist what they want, alright? Just the truth, bro. I always wanted to do videos like this and break down like female nature and getting females, but like I never got to it. But now, fuck it, man. Fuck it. It's a new season, man. Cause if you know me, bro, you know I be talking about this shit all the time. I just never posted on YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all the rundown on the story. Alright. So I was walking on the boardwalk. I see these two women. They had a lot of energy about them, and they were very outgoing. So I'm walking in front of them and shit. I see them behind me. I forgot what I said. It was just some natural shit, man. In the moment shit. You gotta get these women in the moment, bro. You can't just come up to them on some random shit talking about hi, my name is, hi, this, that. What do you do for living and shit? Bro, bitches, you ain't gonna get no woman like that, bro. That's like sliding in a DM talking about yourself, bro. That's not what these women wanna hear. They wanna hear something that catches their eye, catches their attention, makes them laugh, something. That's what they want, bro. They want something they never heard before type shit. So I came up to them on some masculine energy, serious energy, serious but entertaining type shit. Listen, fellas, listen. You don't want to be overly goofy with it. So at the same time I'm making her laugh and making them smile and getting reactions out of them, I'm not laughing with it. I'm not making myself look goofy. I'm serious with it. So they know I mean business. They know I mean business. And that comes off like you know what you're doing and you've done this before. They know I'm a young nigga. They know they're older than me, but I'm not letting any of that shit faze me. And the key to this shit is you make the women talk about themselves. You don't talk about yourself. That's when niggas fuck up. I fucked up like that before, and I learned from it in the past. You never talk about yourself. You don't tell them anything about you, nigga. You don't talk about money, nigga. They don't want to hear that shit, bro. That gets them dry, nigga. You gotta get these women to open up to you. The whole time I'm talking to them, they're telling me how smooth I am. I'm feeling on them. I'm getting comfortable with them. Making them kiss me, take pictures. They want to take pictures for their own phone and shit. And it's like they knew me 100 years. And we just met like a minute or two ago. I know y'all see me talking about, yo, this is my girl, these my two girlfriends. That's just the game, man. You gotta reel them in, but like, you don't attach yourself to it type shit. I'm making them open up emotionally, but I'm not being emotionally available type shit, if that makes sense. Niggas know what I mean, if you know. But the whole time they telling me how smooth I am and how I know what to say to a woman, I'm like, yeah, I know what to say to a woman, because I was raised by women, and that's just the fact. I would say it's an edge, but like, that's not everything. But it is an edge, because you know how to get a female to react a certain way. You gotta stick in her mind, bro. You can't let the interaction go to shit, bro. A lot of niggas do that, bro. A lot of niggas bore these bitches to death, bro. Can't be one of them. So the whole time I'm with them, keep in mind, you gotta keep it sexual, but don't be overly sexual, if you know what that means. And then we're a little tipsy too, so you gotta keep them in that state. You can't get them out. Can't get them out of their state, bro. A lot of niggas will take them out of their state and try to be serious and talk about life and shit. No, nigga, these bitches is on vacation. They wanna have fun. They wanna talk that nasty shit. They wanna talk about their fetishes with black men. They're telling me how they love American black men because we know what to do and we know how to get straight to the point. That's what they like, nigga, so I'm gonna give them that. That's their fetish, nigga, that's their choice. They wanna be swingers for the night, nigga, they gonna be swingers, nigga. Only person that could stop that is me. So I'ma keep it going. But listen, fellas, when you're doing the cold approach, it's tricky. A lot of niggas will do the cold approach, get all the way there, and then end the interaction and try to carry it on the next day. You gotta realize, bro, with a woman, you can never guarantee that next interaction. Tomorrow she could wake up, bro, women are emotional. Tomorrow she could wake up and not want anything to do with you, not want to text you, nothing, not remember you, nigga. She might have a whole life, nigga. If she got work tomorrow, bro, she ain't think about fucking and shit. That's why you gotta keep it there, bro. You gotta keep the ball rolling, keep the steam rolling, nigga. You gotta take her home. You gotta treat it like you already know you gonna take her home, bro. It's like being at the club, bro. You already know you gonna take this bitch home. You ain't gonna be talking about life and shit. And fucking what you doing tomorrow and shit. Nigga, you keep it in the moment. Keep it in the moment, bro. Keep her wet, nigga. Y'all niggas be getting these bitches dry, bro. Dead ass. No funny shit. But yeah. So after that, we walking on the boardwalk. They talking about all these fetishes they want to watch me do to each other. All that shit. I'm not gonna get too into that because y'all niggas don't need to know all that sexual shit. I just be spitting my game, nigga. I be in the moment. I just be talking, bro. If you want me to get into that, I'll do it in another video. But listen, the whole time we walking on the boardwalk, I got both of them, feeling on them, got them still in the mood. Yo, let's go in somewhere private. Let's go do something in a private spot. Let's find somewhere private. And they're like, ooh, that sounds good. That sounds good. Keeping them intrigued the whole time. I'm keeping them intrigued. Nothing dry about this interaction. As soon as you let it go dry, nigga, you're done for, bro. In their head, they already looking for new niggas. Alright? New niggas to fuck with, bro. There's always a nigga better than you. I ain't no tall nigga. I ain't no fine ass nigga. I ain't no buff nigga. My mouthpiece, it was there. My masculine energy, it was there. That intriguingness about me, it was there. The whole time they trying to figure out shit about me, my age and all that, and I'm not answering nothing, bro. If a woman asks you questions about you, you don't have to answer. It makes them want you more, bro, when they can't figure you out. Whole time they trying to figure me out, and it's bugging them because they can't figure me out, but I'm still enticing them. I'm still keeping them there sexually. Nigga, look at me. They know I'm a young nigga. Know I'm a young nigga. The whole time they trying to figure out my age and all that shit. I ain't telling them shit. I ain't telling them shit. I'm just changing the subject. Feel me? And they like that, bro. Some of y'all niggas be trying to open up all this shit. Tell a woman how much money you make, where you work, all that shit, bro. They don't give a fuck about that. There's women out here that they'll do everything with a nigga they just met. Not even know the nigga's name. That's how they want it, bro. They don't want to know you on a fucking relationship type level. That don't matter. I still don't even know their names. And I don't give a fuck. Because that's not what we here for. We here for other shit. We here for business, nigga. For what I want to do and what they want to do, nigga. That's what we here for. We ain't here to exchange socials, all that shit. No. They don't need to know nothing. They don't need to know what I do. They don't need to know my Instagram, nothing. They know me and who I presented myself as. After that, we went to a restaurant. Because they wanted to eat before we go back to the spot. Because they've been out here, they've been on the boardwalk for a few hours and shit, chilling, drinking. This is my first time with cougars and shit, so I ain't gonna lie, I was surprised, nigga. She was trying to buy me food, she bought me a whole meal, bought me drinks, nigga. I'm drinking wine and shit. We sitting down at the table, they're talking about their life and shit. At that point, I thought like, that's where it was gonna end. Cause you know how females be, bro. 1 minute they could be horny as shit, the next minute they on some other shit, cause that's how they be, bro. If it dies down, it dies down. You can re-spark it, don't get me wrong. And I'm thinking, nigga, I got my meal, I got my content. I'll be good if it don't go nowhere after this. After that, got them back in that moment, in that mode, to bring me back to their hotel. After that. And now, this is my chance to keep it sexual. Cause if you don't keep it sexual, bro, nigga, these women will get bored as fuck and they be like, yo, why the fuck are we even with this nigga? I got shit to do. I got work tomorrow, nigga. I'm gonna go to sleep. Why am I still with this nigga? They'll forget why the fuck they even talked to you in the first place. But we chilling, we keeping it sexual, having some drinks. They order me up drinks and shit. Mind you, I'm not even 21. So they ordering me drinks. They got, I ain't gonna lie. That shit had me feeling like the man, bro. I felt alpha as fuck right there. The fucking waiter serving me drinks. A waiter way older than me serving me drinks with two fine ass females with me, nigga. And he looking at me like the man, nigga. That's how it be. When you establish yourself as the man, nigga, you gonna be the man. That's what it is. Back to the video. Y'all seen the part where she was talking.
These amazing men.
These guys are amazing. We had
They are.
so much fun tonight.
They're both great. We love him.
We are here.
Met him off of the Santa Monica Pier randomly.
Santa Monica Piers, yeah.
Because of this dude right here.
Yeah. He's the man.
God.
He's the man.
He's like, yo, what's up? And we're like,
Yeah.
yo, what's up?
Yeah, we had a great night.
We went out to dinner. And then Kim called over his friend.
Good.
We had some drinks, and now we're here off this freaking Santa Monica.
In Santa Monica by the water. Yeah, we're lucky.
About how I made that interaction and how I was the man, talking about this is the man right here. They felt like they knew me. Bitch, you don't even know me, bitch. But they felt like they knew me because they ain't never had no nigga like that. They never had an experience like that. These two women is in a relationship too. They ain't never had no experience like that where they can just be themselves. Listen. Y'all think every woman ain't like that, bro? Bro, all these women have that fantasy there, but they wanna act out, bro. They wanna do all this sexual shit. They wanna explore their sexual fantasies, bro. That's what they wanna do. Every female does, nigga. Some females just don't have the chance to because a lot of people gonna judge them. Women are afraid to be judged, bro. You can't be judgmental when you meet them. They gonna test you to see how judgmental you are and tell you certain shit to see how judgmental you are from the jump. If you judge them, nigga, they ain't gonna never be them true selves with you. They ain't never gonna be them true selves with you. They gonna be the version of themselves that you want them to be. Especially if you're trying to be in a relationship with this woman or she want to be in a relationship with you. That's how women are. They're trained to fucking fake who they are for you to be perfect. You gonna think you have a perfect woman, nigga. For the other nigga, she a whole different woman. You ain't never gonna see that side of her though. It's gonna make you feel away. These women is telling me their deepest, darkest secrets about fucking sex and shit. They're talking about the porn they watch, like getting off to black men, gay black men, and all that shit, bro. I'm just listening, I'm like, in my mind I'm thinking, yo, what the fuck? But I ain't saying nothing about it, bro. Bro, it's a test, bro. They testing you to see if you gonna squirm away from that shit like, ew. Most beta niggas is gonna squeal away from that shit and be like, ew, what the fuck, and all that shit. A real nigga is gonna shut the fuck up and let her talk, bro. Let her talk about all that shit, bro. Let her get off to that shit. That's gonna make her more comfortable around you, nigga. That's what you gotta understand. She's saying all this shit about herself, see how comfortable she can get with you. And that's why you can see in that video, to tell how comfortable she is around me and shit. Already. Yeah, I met these bitches 20 minutes before that. And they telling me all their deepest, darkest secrets and what the porn they watch. I ain't gonna lie. The high school me have been like, ew, and I would've started arguing with the bitch about how nasty that shit is. Bro, that ain't gonna get you the box, bro. That ain't gonna get you the box, nigga. That's gonna scare her away, nigga. She gonna get dry as fuck. When she can't be vulnerable around you, nigga, she ain't gonna submit to you, nigga, if she can't be vulnerable around you, bro. And that's just a fact. You don't gotta agree with none of the shit she's saying, bro. Shut the fuck up and note it mentally, nigga. That's how you learn from these women. You learn what these women actually like, nigga. Maybe every girl like that shit. I ain't know that till I found that out. I ain't gonna say ew and sit there and fucking judge the bitch. That's gonna scare her away, bro. See, all y'all niggas like to do is talk. Bro, let her do the talking. That's her job, nigga. That's her job, and that's how you learn about females, nigga. And that's how you use it for the next bitch. You learn that shit so you know that for the next bitch. Shit shouldn't even affect you, nigga, cause you know what you here for, nigga. If you know what you came here for and you didn't come here to do no gay shit, you didn't come here to do no fucking all that other shit, bro, it shouldn't affect you. It don't matter. It don't even exist to you, nigga. That's her. We different people. She don't gotta like what I like. I don't gotta like what she like. Women are like chameleons, bro. They gonna blend into whatever you want them to be. And they gonna keep that lie up, bro. They gonna keep that lie up, bro. They ain't never gonna tell you the truth. They gonna tell you your truth that you wanna hear. They ain't never gonna tell you the real them. That's just the truth. Mind you, these are foreign women. One of them was foreign and one of them was like Hispanic type shit. What you gotta understand is maybe the culture they come from and the past men that they have been with, they could never show that sexual fantasy side of them. They could never be their real self. They've never been imprinted. They've never been imprinted the right way, bro. So she could be a 40-year-old woman and the other one could be a 30-year-old woman, feel like a fucking teenager again. Feel like it's high school again when they get imprinted, just cause they've never had that type of guy. They never had that select guy. A lot of these niggas is soft, bro. Hey man, we've all been on that side, nigga. We've all been the soft one. We've all been simp. It's about learning and experience, bro. You just gotta know what these women really want. It's all about timing and placing. The game I used on them probably wouldn't have worked in another setting because it's the time and place, bro. And the feel, nigga. It's about the present. What's going on around, nigga. They felt free, they could be themselves, nigga. They on vacation. That's why when women go on vacation, they act like a whole different person and you would never know. She with her friends, she's a whole different person and you would never know. Cause that's a different side of her, bro. And that's for another nigga to find out. There's two types of niggas in this world. There's a nigga that will imprint a woman and show her new shit. And there's a nigga that's judgmental and will never see that side of the woman. She's putting on a facade for you, bro. She don't feel comfortable letting you see that side of her, bro. So she gonna keep it cool and play by your rules. That's how it is. So when I'm teaching this grown woman how to twerk and all that shit and shake her ass and all that bullshit, she's liking that shit, bro, cause no nigga ever... Come on, bro, she a white woman. What white nigga gonna show her that shit? What white nigga gonna have her bent over in the fucking elevator, nigga? In public. Doing nasty shit in the fucking hotel hallway, bro. She already got kids and all this shit, bro. She ain't never gonna have that experience again, to be honest. Unless it's with another black man. Like me. With an alpha. A lot of these niggas be beta as fuck, bro. And they think that's what the woman wants. No, nigga. She wants you for financial stability, bro. She don't want you for the other side of it. The sexual experience, nigga. That's why a lot of these women be with niggas that ain't even their sexual preference. That nigga don't even turn... She thinking about a whole nother nigga when you with it. And that's just the truth of it, bro. But anyway, if y'all like videos like this, let me know. Y'all know I like to speak. Y'all know I like to put y'all on game and shit, nigga. Even though I'm a young nigga, I got experience in certain shit of life, bro. Everybody got their own experiences in life, no matter how old or young you are, bro. That's one thing they told me. They like how I had experience, bro. They didn't give a fuck about my age. Age don't fucking matter. It's about experience. And that's one thing they know, nigga, because they probably dealt with older niggas that had no experience. I know a lot of older niggas that have no experience with women. I ain't saying I get all the women and shit, but nigga, when it comes down to it, bro, put myself in a position to get experience or to be experienced. Some people like the unknown and some people stick to what they know. Hey man, Caesar the God in here, man. Coming strong with the videos, nigga. I'll keep running my shit up, bro. If y'all want more shit, tell me in the comments what y'all want to hear about, what y'all want to see. If y'all want any more insight on this shit, more story times and shit, let me know, bro. Subscribe, like, get me in the algorithm, man. You already know the vibes, nigga. Subscribe to my OnlyFans if y'all want to see that explicit content. On my Snapchat, seen it, a few people. But if y'all want that on OnlyFans, let me know.
VIP section, smoking biscotti. Niggas won't jump, but they feeling so froggy. Fucking your bitch, I just found a new hobby. She driving the boat, now she out of her body.